Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Samsung S10 is probably one of the most popular smartphones in recent years, and for good reason. It boasts a stunning display, powerful performance, and a versatile camera system, making it a strong contender for anyone seeking a premium mobile experience. But is it the right phone for you? Let's dive in and find out if the S10 is worth your hard-earned money. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus 128GB Dual SIM. This is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It's an international model, unlocked and ready to go. You can use it with most GSM SIM cards. The phone supports dual SIM cards. This allows you to use two different numbers on the same device. It's perfect for travel or managing personal and work contacts. It features a large 6.4-inch display. This provides a great viewing experience for videos and browsing. The screen is vibrant and easy to see. The phone supports LTE connectivity. This ensures fast data speeds for streaming and browsing. You can stay connected wherever you go. Please note this is an international model. It does not come with a US warranty. It will not work with CDMA carriers like Verizon or Sprint. What we like. This phone is an international model, meaning it's designed to work globally. It also supports dual SIM cards, perfect for managing personal and work lines. If you travel frequently or need a phone that works seamlessly across different countries, this is the one for you. What people say. The camera quality and capabilities are great. The phone is wonderful to use. No slowdowns at all, for now. The screen is wonderful to watch videos. It feels great to hold and use. Two key features stand out on this phone for me, the battery life and the camera. The battery life is ridiculous. I can get something like 12 to 13 hours of screen on time with this. While the camera takes some truly breathtaking pictures. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy S10 128GB 6.1 unlocked. Feast your eyes on the 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED display. It delivers vibrant colors and incredible clarity. This phone makes everything look amazing. Unlock your phone with the ultrasonic fingerprint ID. It's fast, secure, and easy to use. This feature keeps your data safe. With 8GB of RAM and a Snapdragon 855 processor, it handles everything with ease. Multitasking is smooth, and apps launch quickly. It is a powerhouse. Capture stunning photos with the triple-lens rear camera. It includes wide-angle, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. It also has a 10MP front camera for great selfies. It comes with 128GB of storage, and you can add more with a microSD card. You'll have plenty of space for all your files. It is very convenient. This phone is fully unlocked and compatible with most carriers. It works with GSM and CDMA networks. You can easily switch carriers. What we like. The phone boasts a stunning dynamic AMOLED display, making everything look incredibly vibrant. It also features a versatile camera system, allowing you to capture amazing photos and videos. If you are looking for a phone with a beautiful screen and a great camera, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The design sigue siendo elegante y moderno, con una pantalla brillante y nítida que destaca. La cámara, aunque no tan avanzada como la de los modelos más nuevos, captura fotos nítidas y coloridas, lo cual es perfecto para el uso diario. La performance es bastante sólida, con un rendimiento fluido para navegar por aplicaciones, ver videos y realizar tareas cotidianas. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy S10e, 128GB, 6GB, Prism Black. This is the Samsung Galaxy S10e. It's a renewed phone, offering great features. It's a compact and powerful device. The phone features a vibrant 5.8-inch AMOLED display. It provides a stunning visual experience. You'll enjoy watching videos and browsing the web. With 128GB of storage and 6GB of RAM, it has plenty of space for your files. It ensures smooth multitasking and fast performance. It supports 4G LTE connectivity for fast internet access. You can stay connected wherever you go. It's perfect for streaming and browsing. This is the T-Mobile version, model G970. It's a reliable and efficient device. It's a great choice for your daily needs. The phone comes in a stylish Prism black color. It has a sleek and modern design. It looks great and feels premium. This phone is in renewed condition. It offers great value for money. It's a smart choice for anyone looking for a reliable phone. What we like. This phone offers a compact design, making it easy to handle and carry around. It also features a vibrant AMOLED display for an immersive viewing experience. If you like a smaller phone that doesn't compromise on features, this is the perfect fit for your needs. What people say. Showed up with a perfect screen and fully unlocked. The phone arrived promptly and is every bit as good as the original, no issues, and so easy to load other phone data and applications onto the new one. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus 128GB. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. This phone boasts a stunning 6.4 AMOLED display, offering vibrant visuals and immersive experiences. Inside, it's powered by a Snapdragon 855 processor and 8GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and lag-free gaming. It handles everything you throw at it. The Galaxy S10 Plus is IP68 water-resistant, giving you peace of mind against accidental spills and splashes. It's built to withstand the elements. Stay connected wherever you go with global 4G LTE support. This unlocked phone works with various carriers, including T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, and Sprint. This is the G975U model in Prism Black. Get yours today and experience the power and elegance of this amazing device. What we like. This phone is water-resistant, providing peace of mind in various environments. It also supports global 4G LTE, ensuring connectivity wherever you go. If you need a durable phone that can keep up with your active lifestyle, this is the one for you. What people say. Very good performance. When I opened the box, it was packaged as new and all the accessories were perfectly included. It surpassed all of my expectations. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S10 AT&T Factory Unlock, Black, 128GB. This is the Samsung Galaxy S10, a powerful smartphone. It comes unlocked, ready for you to use with your preferred carrier. The phone features a sleek black design and a premium feel. It's comfortable to hold and looks great. With 128GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space for your photos, videos, and apps. You won't have to worry about running out of space. This phone is factory unlocked from AT&T. It gives you the freedom to choose your network. Get ready to experience the power and features of the Samsung Galaxy S10. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a premium smartphone experience. What we like. This phone is factory unlocked, giving you the freedom to choose your carrier. It's also compatible with AT&T, ensuring seamless connectivity. If you are an AT&T user looking for a reliable phone with ample storage, this is a great option. What people say. Bought this phone because of the camera, and so far it's great. I love the phone and the fact that it holds a battery charge and has a great amount of storage. This was as advertised, unlocked, and I was able to sync to a Live Mobile immediately. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.